just got my THX Silk sleep cap. One of the top 10 silk brands with over 17 years of experience. It's handcrafted by THXSILK Millberry Silk. The feeling is truly luxurious. They also provide exceptional pre-sales and after-sales services. Nightcap provides maximum protection for your hair and prevents detangling. It also locks in moisture and adds shine to your hair. Honestly, compared to Bellissy, it has higher cost effectiveness.